Welcome to the session. Today, we're going to cover LLM Basic, some of the basic concept and keywords, and also the prompting techniques to improve the large language model. Right. So I know in your most of you today you are using a large language model prompting like ChatGPT or Gemini or Cloud AI or a Copilot. So most of you are using this as a practice, but some of this keyword or technical terms. So and also the concept, that is what is we are going to cover in this presentation. And also this is the first part of the series. We are going to have two more presentation, part 2 and part 3, in the upcoming week. So please subscribe to the channel, and if you'll get notified if we have a new video coming up. Again, we'll just going to jump into the basic concept and the detail in the next slide. Okay, let's go through the fundamental concept and some of the keyword and the basics of the large language model. The first one is the foundation model, designed to generate and understand human-like text across wide range of use cases. This is the foundation model, is the base of this large language model. And the next one is a transformer. This is one of the most popular large language model, designed for its attention mechanism and parallel processing abilities. It is most widely used today for model for the large language model for ChatGPT or Gemini, etc. The next one is the prompting. Prompting is the techniques to provide carefully crafted input to an LLM to generate the desired output. So the making sure that the more accurate the input or more specific the input, the output is more accurate. And the context length is the maximum number of input words token or LLM can consider when generating an output. In typically, this context length is different for different LLM, ChatGPT versus Cloud AI or Gemini or the different version of the LLM itself, like version 3 and version 4, etc. And the next concept is fish short learning. This is a concept where providing a very few example to an LLM assist it in performing a specific task is called free short learning. That will desired give more better output. And then the next is called zero shot learning. This is where the provide only task instruction to the LLM relies solely on its a pre-existing knowledge to provide a proper output. The next called RAG. RAG is the retrieval augmented generation. Basically, the appending the retrieved information to improve LLM response is called RAG. And the next concept is called knowledge space. Knowledge space is the collection of the document from which relevant information is retrieved in RAG. They're basically the data for the LLM. And the vector database is how the store the data is vector representation of the knowledge base, aiding to retrieval of the relevant information in the RAG. The next concept is called fine-tuning, adapting an LLM to a specific task or domain by further training it on task-specific data is called fine-tuning. This is one of the key concepts used for mainly for some of the enterprise. They want to add additional base. They take the base model and add additional specific thing to do the fine-tuning to get it specific use cases for their specific to based on the data available to their enterprise. The other one is actually the insertion tuning, is adjusting an LLM behavior during the fine tuning by providing specific guidance or directives is called insertion tuning. The last is the hallucination. The tendency of the LLM to sometimes generate incorrect or non-factual information. So this is a kind of non-incorrect data, incorrect output data. So By going through this, hopefully you understood some of the basic keyword using in the LLM world, as well as some of the key concept and model related to the LLM. Thanks for attending this session. Again, I have the upcoming two more session on this, as this, part 2 and part 3. Thank you.